All right, we have 6 eggs in there. We did a little salt and pepper. Gonna add about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Gonna give it a little whisk up in here. Because why dirty up another bowl, right? All right, all whisked up. Let's get these chopped up. You know this is the best part. Is it gonna pop? No, it's not. All popped. Guys, trying to pull these things apart, they're kind of a mess, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna chop them up. I just chop these bad boys up into bitty pieces for our sweet and savory breakfast casserole. No rhyme or reason, and watch your fingers. All right, we're good to go. Now we're gonna take those and break them up, drop them into the egg mix right here. We're gonna add in a little already cooked breakfast sausage. This is that Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage if you care. This is a 1 pound chub of it. Right, last but not least, we're going in with some American cheese squares here. Straight out of the plastic, straight in here because it tastes good. And I know it's gonna piss a lot of people off. I don't know if I said it before, but this bundt pan was greased with a little avocado oil. We sprayed it in there. Now we're gonna take a set of tongs here and just get all this mixed up together, get everything nice and incorporated, the cheese well distributed in there. I'm gonna tell you all this is gonna become your new favorite casserole for the holidays, your Christmas breakfast, any of that good stuff. It's gonna be amazing. And comment down below and tell me what you'd add to this. All mixed up, let's go. All right, y'all, we got our casserole here, our sweet and savory casserole. Guys, if you like the McGriddle sandwich at McDonald's or something like that, where it has, you know, the pancake, waffle, cinnamon roll aspect with the sausage, cheese, egg, all that, this is gonna be amazing for you. We're gonna get this in the oven, 350, about 25 to 30 minutes, just to make sure that egg gets cooked all the way through. Then we'll dump it over, put some icing on it, and enjoy it, baby. I'll see you in a sec. All right, y'all, when we tried to turn it over, it didn't quite turn out like we hoped. Let's go with take 2. All right, y'all, this is take 2. Let's go ahead and get this icing on. This is just the cream cheese icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. All right, let's cut ourselves a little slice of it. There you go, fully cooked. Looking lovely and luscious. All right, y'all, as you saw, this is take 2. The first take crumbled up a bit. I didn't let it cool off enough. And even the second go around still had some issues. So what I'm gonna suggest is get a silicone bundt pan. It'll release a lot easier, especially when you're using the cinnamon rolls and the sugar and all that. So just keep that in mind. This was a pain in the neck. But as you can see, we got a lovely sweet and savory breakfast right here, or dinner. It's actually nighttime. Nighttime's the right time. You got that sausage, you got the cheese, cinnamon rolls. Guys, you can't beat this. This is gonna be a wonderful holiday breakfast. Add this to your brunch menu. Don't matter. Let's get a bite. Guys, it was a pain in the neck to get this far because I was done with it. But you can bet your bottom dollar I'm gonna make this again using the silicone bundt pan. Because baby, you know it's good. Merry Christmas.